So you've updated your Firestick, Fire TV, Fire TV Cube to the latest version. And once again, as you know, when you press the home button, you are inundated with adverts. So large adverts on the home screen, large sponsored content, all of these promoted applications, just lots of clutter taking up lots of space on your home screen. And you're wondering, is there still any method or anything you can do to remove all of this junk? Well, as you can see on my device, I'm just going to press one button on my remote control, 3, 2, 1, go. And in 1 second, we are instantly taken to a custom launcher where we can fully enjoy complete customization of our home screen. No more sponsored content, no more Amazon promoted applications. I can fully customize things. I can change the wallpaper. I can hide applications and really just get my home screen looking exactly how I like it. So in this video today, let me show you this method which still works today as of 10th of November 2024. So you can go ahead and enjoy all of this ad-free home screen bliss. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now, to get this process working on all of your Amazon Fire TV devices running the latest update, you need to have two things. The first one is a custom remote control which has two customizable keys. As you can see today, as of November 2024, you can pick one of these up for around about £10. That's the exact one that I'm using right now. You can see it does have some media keys, but most importantly has these buttons 1 and 2, which can be remapped to any function or any application on your device. The only thing is the application has to be installed from the Amazon App Store. So it can't be your third-party applications or your side-loaded applications. It has to be something from the Amazon App Store. So pick one of these up and add that to your device. Once you've done that, the other thing you need is this application here, which is called App Opener, which is available directly on the Amazon App Store. Now, if I go to more info, I believe this cost about, I think $1 or 80p. So super cheap. But the key thing this application allows you to do is to launch your favorite side-loaded application. Now, before we use App Opener, we do have to install a custom launcher. The easiest way we can get one of those is you just go over to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can always type in the short code, which is 53402. Type that in and click on go, and that will take you directly to my website. Now, when you get to my site, if you head over to the hamburger menu, which is one with the 3 lines, click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get these custom launchers working again on all of your Amazon devices. So install whichever one you want to use. Once you've done that, let's now press the home button and let's now open up App Opener for the first time. It will basically do a quick scan of all of the applications on your device, and it will ask you then which application do you want to launch the next time App Opener is launched. So here you want to go ahead and select your custom launcher. You can even select your favorite third-party streaming application, which again can then be launched by pressing one of the two custom keys. But this example, I'm going to use a custom launcher called F Launcher. And I will show you a place on my website where you can get all of these custom launchers installed. So I'm now going to press select. It's now telling you that the next time you launch this application, it will launch the F launcher for you. Let's press back again. Now you can see, guys, when I go over to App Opener, if I press select on that now, it takes me straight to the F launcher, which is a great custom launcher with all its customization features like changing your background, creating custom sections, hiding applications, changing the tile size. All of that's available in this free launcher. And that works great. So now that we're launching this application with App Opener, how do we now bind these two custom buttons so they launch this application for us? Well, if I now press home, and what you now want to do is either long press button 1 or button 2, whichever button you want to launch the custom launcher. I mean, for a quick test first, let me hold down button 1. So if I hold that down, so 1, 2, 3, I'm holding it down. And I should now get a prompt asking me, what do you want to do with this button? So I can make it run an A-word command, or I can go to your applications, and I can now choose any of these applications to launch the next time I press the one button. So in this example, let's say I want to launch this Explore File Manager. Let's press the select button on that. That's now all set. So the next time I press button 1, ready, steady, go, it instantly takes me to the file manager. So super easy to set up, and you can go ahead and launch any application that you want. So let's now actually set button 2 to be our custom launching button. So again, hold down button 2 for a few seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, here we go. I can now go to your applications, and this is now where we will select app opener. And this means the next time I press button 2, it should open up app opener for us. And as you know, app opener now will automatically open up F launcher, or really any application that you like. Any third-party application will then automatically be launched. So let's press the select button now. That's now been set. So now the next time I press button 2, ready, steady, go, we are instantly taken into our custom launcher. And from here, obviously guys, if I now open up something like open up Crackle TV, I can start the application, get the message like that, that's fine. I can now press button 2 again. And I'm once again taken back to the custom launcher, so I don't need to see any of that home screen Amazon mess. If I open up downloader, launch is fine. Again, I mean, you could even press back a few times, back again, and you will stay inside that custom launcher. So really, if you are looking for the easiest way to use custom launchers on your Amazon device, even if you are running the latest update, even with the very latest update, this method still works. And as Amazon are selling these official pro remote controls, I mean, not this one, the official one, which cost about 30 or 40 pounds. And as that also has the 2 customizable buttons, I don't think Amazon will ever block this feature. So if you are looking for the easiest way, I do think this method is the best one available or working right now. And the other thing to mention is if you're looking for a super fast VPN, and when I say super fast, I mean really fast. So you can just see in this speed test here, I'm easily pushing over 500 meg downstream whilst connected to a VPN where they're offering access to over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries. So wherever you need to get your virtual IP address from, wherever you need to unlock your content from, having servers in over 100 countries means you can do that without any issue whatsoever. You can stream in 4K without any buffering. You get access to those really fast servers. It's also unlimited devices. So you buy one subscription with Surfshark and you can install it on as many devices as you like. All of your Firesticks, your PCs, your phones, your tablets, laptops, Android TVs, all of those devices can be covered with just a single license. And to get all of that with a guaranteed 30-day money-back guarantee for $1.99 a month. So cheaper than a cup of coffee, which will then give you that total protection for unlimited devices. You can then change your IP address. You can access geo-doctor content, your ISP, government agencies, hackers, bad actors. Nobody can monitor what you're doing. To get that total peace of mind with 4 months extra free, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.